This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have a premium plan and a device that supports lossless audio. This is essential. Once done, update the Spotify app and restart it so new options appear. Open Settings, go to Playback or Audio Quality, and toggle High Quality Streaming or Lossless on. You do this now because the app exposes advanced options only after update and restart. Enabling it forces higher bitrate streams, which prepares the next steps for output routing and device pairing. Next, route audio to a lossless-capable output. Prefer wired USB DACs or devices supporting the appropriate Bluetooth codec. Bluetooth often compresses, so wired is best. In Spotify, set streaming quality to very high or lossless and choose offline downloads when you want local lossless files. This avoids drops. Make sure your network is stable. Use Wi-Fi 5 GHz or Ethernet because lossless streams require more bandwidth. These choices control both quality and reliability, so pick the combination that matches your hardware. Finally, download a few tracks in lossless and perform listening tests to confirm the improvement. Check playback settings like volume normalization and crossfade. These can change perceived dynamics, so disable them if you want pure lossless. If you encounter dropouts or no lossless option, restart your device and app, inspect cables and DAC connections, and verify you updated the app. If problems persist, switch to wired output and re-download a track. This isolates network versus hardware issues and usually resolves the last mile of troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.